Hi, I'm Tim. I'm the brand ambassador and product trainer for Jangro. Today, I'd like to introduce you to my new friend. This is the new Jangro Luxury Kitchen Roll. It's new and improved. How do we improve something that's already brilliant? Well, we add more sheets, we make it more absorbent, stronger when it's wet. It also is two-ply, and again, it fits into the retail and the commercial sector. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you just how good it is. I'm going to go and put my money where my mouth is, and I'm going to wipe up a drip that I prepared earlier. If you'd like to follow me through to the kitchen, I'll show you how good it is. Okay, so thank you for coming to the kitchen. Um, I'll just have this drink of water. Oops, I seem to have spilt it all over the worktop. If only I had a really good absorbent kitchen roll. It just so happens I do. So I'll show you now how this works. Let's separate that off the roll. There you go, nice and easy to tear. So you can see its strength when dry. Let's mop up this accidental accident. There you go, super absorbent. That's taken that right in, and it's still strong. That won't come apart. Look at all the water that held. Thanks very much. See you on the next one.